Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use an Android app on your Windows PC. That's your Windows operating system. So you can see on my screen here, this is Dream League 25. I'm going to show you guys how you can download all these apps. You can see this is FC football. I'm going to show you guys how you can download and use all these apps on your PC. It's very much simple and easy. So before I start with the tutorial, if you are new here on my channel, kindly give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming updates. So now let's hop on to the main part of the video. So before you can use an Android app on your PC, on your Windows PC, you need an Android emulator. So an Android emulator is going to help you use this Android apps on your PC. So the Android emulator I'll be recommending in this video is Bluestacks. There are a lot of Android emulators on there. So you can search Android emulator on here and you're going to see a lot of them. But then just like I said, we are going to use Bluestacks. So with the Bluestacks, to have a precise one we are going to use, you can see these are all Android emulators you can use. So now let's come here. Good. So the Android emulator we'll be using in this tutorial is Bluestacks. So Bluestacks, the precise one we'll be using is Bluestack 5. So Bluestack 5 because it takes less RAM, it's faster to set up, and then has the largest game library because definitely you want to play these Android apps or you want to play these Android games on your PC. So now let's get going. You just need to tap on this to download it. So the installation is very much simple and easy. You can see when you tap on that, you just install the setup and you're good to go. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do that. So the size of this Bluestack 5 app is like 2 gigabytes. You should have like 2 gigabytes space of memory, and then your RAM should be 4 gigabytes upwards, and then you can use this and download any Android app of your choice. So now after installing it, this is how it looks like. Just launch it like this. Now you come to your home here. You're going to see a lot of Android apps. You just need to search it. So you can see on here I already have WhatsApp on here that I use. Let me launch it for you guys to see. So this is WhatsApp. I don't need to scan any QR code. I've downloaded it. You can see. Yeah. So now let's come back here and let me show you guys a lot of games and the rest. So here I just search any app I want on Play Store. So let me choose the most popular one, which is Viking. And good to go. You can see it here, Viking Rise. I think you've seen this games ad online. Is very much popular. They have a lot of ads online. So that's it. To install it, you just tap on install from Google Play. It's going to take you to Google Play to install it, the app. So you can see here, what I need to do is just tap on this install and then I download the app. Simple as that. So that's it on how you can use Android apps on your PC. So just like I said in this video, you just need that Android emulator app. So the emulator, you go with Bluestacks 5 to be precise, download it, install it, and then you start using it. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.